Imagine stripping away every anchor that defines your existence, your name, your city, the ground beneath your feet. Consider the possibility that the entire observable universe, every galaxy, star, and atom, functions as a microscopic fragment of a much larger reality. History is defined by the collapse of our certainty. We repeatedly reach what we believe to be the final edge of existence, only to discover we were standing in a small room. Our current perception of the end of the universe is likely a byproduct of our biological limits rather than a physical reality. An ant spends its life navigating the geography of its colony. It finds food, avoids danger, and communicates with its peers. Its biology provides no framework for understanding the Earth. To the ant, an ocean or a sprawling city is not just unknown, it is a scale of reality that its brain is not built to process. Humans experience a similar period of absolute blindness. Inside the mother's womb, a developing baby exists in a self-contained world. The child has no concept of weather, landscapes, or the existence of other people. The walls of the womb represent the absolute ceiling of its universe. Every creature is born into a sensory container that defines its everything. It raises the question of whether we have simply graduated to a slightly larger cosmic container, still oblivious to the world outside the walls. We can measure the precise physical extent of our blindness through the light we cannot see. This chart maps the electromagnetic spectrum, the universe's full range of radiation. That tiny highlighted sliver is visible light, the only portion our eyes detect. Radio, infrared, and ultraviolet waves are present in this room right now, yet remain entirely invisible. A massive portion of physical reality passes through our bodies completely undetected. If our basic senses cannot even map the room we are standing in, they are incapable of defining the true borders of existence. Our historical attempts to map the cosmos show a consistent pattern of underestimating reality's scale. For centuries, Earth was the absolute center of creation. Then we realized we merely orbited the sun. We assumed our solar system was a unique event, until telescopes revealed billions of similar systems. The Milky Way was believed to be the entire universe. Now we know our galaxy is one of trillions. Humanity's success rate in identifying the true edge of reality is 0%. Every time we define a limit, the scale of the cosmos expands beyond it. If the history of discovery is a constant process of zooming out, there is no logical reason to assume the zooming stops at the observable universe. Just as an atom is a building block for a molecule, our universe may function as a subatomic layer within a vastly larger structure. This model proposes an infinite hierarchy of existence. Each universe is merely a component of a larger system, which in turn exists inside another, without any final, ultimate boundary. In this system, our position is unknown. We could be near the peak of this hierarchy, or we could be buried trillions of layers deep. This shifts our perspective of the cosmos from a complete map to a single, small stepping stone in an unimaginably vast sequence. We often view the search for alien life or the mastery of time as the ultimate scientific goals. Yet the most significant discovery in our history will likely be the mathematical confirmation of our own microscopic scale within this hierarchy. The stars in the night sky are not just distant lights. They represent the edge of our current container, a temporary ceiling waiting to be broken. Will we ever develop the capacity to see past these limits? Or are we destined to remain like the ant, convinced our small world is everything? The greatest mystery of existence is its true dimension. The question is no longer what reality is, but how many layers exist beyond the one we can see.